In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete a message here in Mobile Legends. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to delete a message here in Mobile Legends, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how you can do it step by step. First things first, once you do open up the Mobile Legends app, what you're going to want to do is actually open up your Friends menu by tapping the Friends icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's not all the way in the bottom, but it's kind of close enough, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Tap through the options if it's your first time opening it up, and what you're going to want to do here is actually go to Following and Followers, just like so. Within this section, there's going to be a little chat icon next to the player that you've messaged. In my case, I haven't actually messaged any players yet, so obviously I don't have anything on here, but tap on that chat icon next to the player that you've messaged, and if you want to delete a message, just simply unfollow that player. Once you do, the entire chat history is going to be automatically deleted, and from here, you can just re-add them as a friend or re-follow them, and you'll be able to chat fresh with them again. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.